bird hunting? Yeah. Welcome to episode 19 of the Bird Tales. Wait a minute. No. It's episode 20 of the Bird Tales. And tonight, we're going to go on a really quick hunt. It's 5:30, and Briar needs to go to bed by about 8 o'clock, right? So, Sarah is recording right now for me. Briar's in the back seat, Remnar's in the back, and we're going to go to a spot not far from where we live and see if we can shoot a ruffed grouse. This is Briar's first time going hunting. First time, right?
We are going there.
What are we going to do?
The grouse hunting.
Go grouse hunting?
Yeah.
Cool.
We're almost to the house. They're all the size whistle. So he's got the whistle.
Hey, did you hear the growl?
Yeah.
You heard it?
Yeah. Do it at him.
I would have, but Remy ran too fast and he scared it up.
Huh?
Yeah, Remy was running too fast
Oh.
and he scared it up.
Oh.
Yeah, so I couldn't shoot it.
Oh.
He didn't point it.
Oh. I got face cat.
So, Remnar did not do very good. I don't know if he's struggling with the transition from prairie and sharp tails into forest and rough grouse, but I think it was the same grouse all 3 times, but I think he accidentally ran into it the first time and flushed it, and it flew down a ways. So we worked over there, and I don't know if the wind was bad. It rained for most of the day, so I don't know if the scent conditions were bad, but he just kept bumping it. No, we didn't shoot one. The last time we bumped it, he pointed, and we were working, and then it was almost like he gave up on it, and he was just going ahead with his normal routine, and he bumped into it again. So unless it landed and then hopped up and flew again, I don't know what happened there, but there were no good points and 3 flushes. So hopefully it'll be better next time. Hello. What a cold and nasty morning it has been for September the 29th in Minnesota. My all-time favorite, forested at least, WMA ever. I live about 5 miles straight that way. And growing up, we used to hunt this a lot, mostly for deer, but we've grouse hunted on it, woodcock hunted on it. There are pheasants out there occasionally in some of the openings, and I know we've talked at least a couple of times about how last year wasn't the best of hunting seasons for grouse. But the year before last, I would come out here, have 10 flushes. Obviously, some of them are the same birds. I shot 3 or 4 birds out here, and it was great. But then last year, I hunted out here 3 times, and we never once flushed a grouse. Never saw one, never heard one, nothing. So today, when I had the decision, where am I going to go, I sat at the stop sign thinking for quite some time, and then I thought, all right, we're going to go back, we're going to give it a try. The old place deserves it. We'll see what happens. All right, it's starting to rain a little bit harder, so I better get going before it really starts to downpour. I'm now 0 for 3 on woodcock. In my defense, I don't think I've had a decent shot on any of them, but they're going straight up And then as they get above the canopy, you just get to see them for one brief second. And I've not connected on a single one yet. I'll give it 50-50. Half bad shooting, half just really difficult shots. But Remy did really well there. He went on point. He went on point way back over there. And when I was working my way to him, I flushed a woodcock and shot at it. And as I shot, oh, he's on point right there. He just stopped. All right, I'm gonna set you down. Oh. There was another woodcock right there. He stopped and went on point right there. And then just as I was standing up, it flushed. There's a lot of birds right here. Like right here. So I just shot at one over there and missed it. Then we came up a little farther and Remy went on point right there. And flushed that one, I shot at it and missed it. Whoa. It's gross. Sure of it. And it was a woodcock. And now as I'm sitting here talking to you, Remy went on point 10 yards away from me. And then a woodcock flushed. He must have just went right past it downwind because he turned on a dime and he was only like a couple feet from it. If we're lucky, we're gonna hit a woodcock today. My shooting has to adjust from wide open grasslands to this like tangly snarl of a mess in the forest. But hey, at least we're seeing birds. We haven't seen a grouse yet though, which is disheartening because we're going through some pretty grousey stuff. Well, I'm feeling a heck of a lot better about my favorite spot in the world. My favorite forest in the world. Remy just stopped again. Son of a biscuit. Right in the middle of an interview, Rem. Okay, I'm gonna try that one. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna try that one. I'll be back. All right, well, just missed another woodcock, I think. Go look for it some more. We didn't find anything. I couldn't tell if I hit it or not. There's so many leaves on the trees. I can't wait for them to go away. But, God, it's been a good day. A lot of bird action today. And look at this. I don't care about missing woodcock. If I can get one of these, the best tasting bird in the world, a ruffed grouse. Now, I'm nearly certain this is the ruffed grouse I shot at on the other side. I think I winged it. Got him.
Find for them. I think I got him. I think I got him. There you boy. Come here, Remy. Yes, sir. Good boy, Remy. Good boy.
He was in this really tall grass here. He wasn't like, and he really struggled to get out of there. And then he got up right there above those branches, and that's where I shot him. That's my first rough of the year. Woo! Man, it's a good day.
Be prepared for me to miss another woodcock. Giant tree. There it goes. Do you know what was over there? Broadside of a barn. Right there. Whoo boy. Woodcock right there. Looking at it. Got him.
Well, that's my first woodcock for the year. Remnar pointed it really well. Very seldom do I get to walk up on birds and see them sitting there. It was feet from me. If I'd have had a decent rock, probably would have thrown it. But I didn't have a decent rock. I was about to pick up a stick. Then I figured I'll just stomp towards it and see what it does. It didn't move when I stomped. It moved because Remy broke and ran up and tried to grab it. But amazingly, I made a good shot. Amazingly. Otherwise, that would have been like the 7th woodcock I'd miss. Well, that does it. The battery on the camera just died. So I'm just going to try and beeline it back to the car. I've been out here for quite a while, and I'm pretty sure Sarah and Briar want to go to the movies tonight. So we got some really grousey looking cover in front of us. I hope I shoot another grouse, but you're not going to get to see it, and I'm so sorry. But so it goes. All right, somehow I managed to hit another one. Dumb luck that was. I'm just trying to get back to the car. I think we flushed, I would say pretty confidently, 4 different grouse, and I don't even know how many woodcock. I missed so many, I don't remember how many it was. But I do know I had quite a few shells in my vest when I started, and now I'm pretty sure I have 2. I gotta swing into the store and pick up some more after the movies tonight, but this was a good afternoon hunt. Well, good morning. I'm at that little bit of woods that I took Briar to in the first hunt on this episode. Well, maybe if I turn the camera on and start talking, it'll bring me some luck like it did yesterday. If Briar, Sarah, and I hadn't just walked in here earlier the week and flushed grouse, I'd say there's none left. But we got a little ways left to go before the car, so maybe. Well, that was kind of the opposite day of yesterday. Yesterday we shot half a box of shells and brought home a couple birds. Today we saw one woodcock, or heard one woodcock, didn't even see it, never fired our guns, never saw any grouse, never flushed any grouse. but sometimes that's how it goes. I think this is going to be the last hunt on episode 20. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the last hunt on episode 20. I got a busy week ahead of me. On Thursday, Sir William is coming up. We're going to hop in the car and we're going to drive way up north to hunt sharptails in northern Minnesota. Well, that's it. So I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. See ya.
Yeah, all done hunting.